The Kohler flush valve that's not seating right and causing some leaks. Turn the toilet off. Hold the flush to drain the tank. Just unbuckled. You turn counterclockwise very gently, sort of like a key. It may creak a little bit. Grip this, go counterclockwise, and pull this out. You reinstall, push into here, and then you turn, quarter turn. Feel a tactile click as it goes down here with a rag. If you sell the entire kit, most fixes could just be replacing this seal. Old seal will have a groove that it sits in. You can even see that there's some wear in a groove. That's what's going to cause leakage. Peel the old seal off. Make sure it's very clean. There's a small buildup on here. See that dog hair? We'll make it not seal. We'll walk the new seal into the groove and we'll walk it around. This orientation back into the bowl. Push in, and we give it a twist gently, and we'll push this back on. Reattach the chain here. It's adjusted to the right height. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.